This is my Sony A7 Mark IV, and in this video we're going to see how to upgrade the firmware of this Sony A7 Mark IV camera. And by the way, it's the same process for all the Sony cameras, so yeah, you need not worry. And if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button and click on the bell to get regular notifications for more interesting videos. So yeah, this is just a tutorial video. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So let's first check the current version of the firmware. So inside the setup, in the setup options, if you go to the version, you'll have the version here. It's 1.0. So the first step we are going to do is remove the SD cards that's in the camera. Remove all the SD cards. And next thing is make sure you have full charge in the camera. And then the other important setting is in the same setup option, go to USB, and the USB connection mode should be selected as mass storage. This is one important step to be followed. And meanwhile, we can just open the computer and go to the Google and type as Sony Electronics Support. Go to the first link. So I'm just showing step by step as it's the same process for all the cameras so that you can follow this stuff for any Sony camera. Now in this drop down, select as cameras and camcorders. Once we select, it will show all the types of cameras. So we are having a digital camera, so just click on it, and ours is an interchangeable lens. Click on that, and my camera is an E-mount body, so I'm just going to click it. And here you will see all the series of Sony cameras. Mine is Alpha 7 series, so I'm just clicking on it. And next we will have a page where you need to click on the downloads button. So once you click on the downloads button, you will have all the camera's latest firmwares. So if you just scroll down, you will see all the Sony cameras. So I'm just going to select Sony A7 Mark IV, and if you click on it, the next page will show you if you want to download the Windows version or the Mac version. So I don't have a Mac, let's go for the Windows version. So this is a Windows computer. And here is the page where you're going to download the firmware. So this page, I'll just copy the link in the description as well. So if you're going to upgrade for Sony A7 Mark IV, you can just directly click the link. And some of the improvements or benefits here is eye autofocus is improved, and the 2870 lens issues are fixed, and there's also a good operational stability improvement in the camera. So you can go through this page to know how to download and all other details as well. Now let's click on the download button at the top. And yeah, it's loading. There is an agreement that you need to just go through and just click on download button. So here it starts to download a software, that is the firmware file, which is an exe file. Let's wait until it's downloaded and just double click on the file once it's downloaded. It will install and you'll have a window open. Just switch on the camera and connect the USB cable, one end to the camera and the other end to the laptop. So just click on the next button, and now in the camera it will show as USB mode connecting to mass storage. So it's connected successfully. Now let's come back to the computer, and here click on the next button. It's just checking the version, and the third step will automatically reset the camera. This is why I said you need to have 100% power so that it doesn't stop in the middle. So once the update is completed, it will move to the final step, which is the finish the update step. Now just click on the finish, and that's it. Your firmware is updated. You can check the same by the same way, going to the setup option and version. Now the version is 1.01. We have successfully upgraded the firmware of Sony A7 Mark IV, and it is the same process for all the Sony cameras as well. Hey boss, I hope this video was really helpful. If yes, do hit that subscribe button down below. I'm sorry, I'm saying subscribe and showing like. Do hit that subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, do hit that like button. And yeah, let's meet in another interesting video. Until then, it's your Kario signing off.